Hi there guys, here I'm going to present to you one of the looks from the 2020 collection Kerasilk. I hope you like this. It's a short curly bob, but I wanted to give you an alternative way of doing it with some straightening irons. Enjoy. So guys, one tip with this look and using the straightening irons is I like the diversity in curl. You can go bigger or larger depending on if you use 1 or 2 fingers or 3 fingers to curl the hair around. You do as you please, play with it and see what you get. You can always mix all 3 or all 4 together. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you've enjoyed. If you want to see more videos, please stay tuned. Take care.